Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Let's see about the project studying internal control system of an organization. Abstract. To implement an efficient framework for the automation of an internal calculation of a student result and to maintain the student marks in an efficient manner. This contains the overall information of an organization. There are 4 modes. They are student mode, staff mode, HOD mode, principal mode. Student mode. It is used to view the detail of a student, attendance detail, mark detail, etc. Staff mode. It used to enter the detail of a student and attendance of a student, the mark detail of a student. It also contains that the staff can view the detail of a personal detail and attendance detail. The next mode is HOD mode. The HOD mode contains staff detail, department detail and the student detail. He can access all the 3 modes which has been seen above. The next one is principal mode. The principal mode is used to access the detail of a student, department, staff, HOD, etc. He had an extra feature that he can change the mode of a staff into a HOD mode. That's it. Let's see the flow of a project. This is the first step of a project. When the process started, the student will access the process. He can view the detail and he can view the information of his personal detail like roll number, name, register number, etc. It will store in a database. The next one is calculation access. Access where if an access is valid, it will come to the valid department wise calculation. Otherwise it will skip to no details. The calculation will be done on the basis of a department of a student of a passing average. The detail of the students will be stored in database. The next one is admin mode, which means the principal mode. The principal will handle the detail of a student and staff detail as well as the department detail. He can calculate the department wise result using this, and he can also compare the department according to the education and the present event. The comparing result will be shown in the graph format. It will store in the database. This is the home page of a project. A student, there are 4 modes: student mode, staff mode, HOD mode, principal mode. In student mode there are 2 attendance. The student mode contains only for example, if you want to view the attendance, click the attendance and select the date, in which date to which date do you want. You have to select. The attendance detail will be displayed. So in the same way we can view the marks of a student by selecting the department and the semester and pass of that detail. If you want to move to staff mode, you should give the username and password. If you give the correct username and password, the page can be accessed. There are 4 options: new student entry, student attendance, student mark detail, view the details. New student entry. The staff has the authority to add the detail of the student. For example, if we want to ID and student name, father's name, address, select the department of the student and the date of birth. Data signing. The record will be inserted. If you want to change the student detail, you can use the alter. Select the student ID, alter the detail. In the same way, we can delete the detail of a student. If you want to delete, you have to select the ID and give delete. The record will be deleted. Student attendance. The student, we have to select the department. Select the register number, the name will be fetched. If he is present, just click yes, otherwise you click no, and you should select from date to and to date. The record will be like this. We should insert to each and every student mark. First select the department and select the ID and select which semester, enter the subject code and enter the mark. The record will be inserted. We can enter to each and every student. By the department, we can also view the attendance in the same way, which mode. The leave detail also. We can view the mark detail of the student in this mode by selecting the department, semester and the pass. The detail of the, we can also view the detail of the individual student. Staff, we can view the staff detail according to the department. The attendance detail also can be viewed. We choose to access the staff detail and student detail. New staff entry. Address, subject, and select the department. Date of joining, access, while login. We can also alter the detail of the staff using this option and delete the staff entry. Maintain in this form as the student detail entered. The staff can view the detail of the department, staff and attendance detail. Next, principal mode. By selecting the department and the batch and semester, a pass average will be calculated and the total number of students in MS Information Technology 2004 batch is 2, the pass average is 2, so the pass average is 100. We can view the student mark as per in the previous. The staff detail also can be viewed in this mode. Calculate the pass average according to the chart by selecting the department, batch year and semester. You can view the staff detail, student detail and pass average. Create HOD mode. The staff can, so his mode should be changed as HOD. To change the HOD mode, select the staff ID and enter as mode as HOD and enter the password to be changed. Now the mode will be changed.